Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to prevent Teams starting automatically in Windows. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Task Manager. After that, go to the Startup Apps section. Here, select Microsoft Teams, click Disable. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.